Hi everyone, I'm Elizabeth. Thanks for watching my little video that I put up. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you guys how to install your Kartboy short shifter in my Impreza 2015 2.0i. The reason why I wanted to put this video together is because when I was doing research trying to figure out how to install it, it was kind of hard to find a video on a non-turbo Subaru. And it's actually a lot easier than you'd think, so here we go. So our first step is going to be to remove our shift knob. And then we're going to lift up this emergency boot. We're going to pop off from the corner and pull your way down, exposing a screw. It's going to be right here. Once you remove the screw, you're going to lift up your cup holder console and start removing the center black pieces console. There's clips along both sides. You're going to stick your prying tool in there and give it a slight twist to unlock it, and then we're going to pull it out, exposing this. Our next step, what we want to do is remove these two white clips with your flathead. There's going to be two, one on this corner and one at this bottom corner that you guys can't really see. And then we're going to remove this boot. Expose your shifter. Then you're going to get your 12mm socket and wrench. You're going to take off this bolt. Then you're going to get your snap ring, pliers, and remove a ring. Going to be down there. You're going to unclip it and pull your shifter straight up. This is the ring that you use your snap ring to release. Let me show you a small comparison with our Kartboy new short shifter. Here's the difference. And then when you're going to remove the center clip, you can stick a flathead screwdriver in there and pop it from the other side to get the ends out. And then you're going to stick that back into your new shifter. We're going to use the same white piece and the ring. Just remember to add some grease to the ball before inserting it back in.